Okay, so it's saying that the ratio of y plus x to y minus x is k to 1. Right, show that this over y is equal to that over that. Okay, hang on a second. Let's think about this. Right then, so we'll start off with the top ratio then. Let's do some highlighting. So that is what the k would be, and that is what the 1 is. So if we said, for example, that a to b is equal to 1 to 2, then the a is the 1, the b is the 2. If we're talking about two parts, what's confusing here is that this is, we're going to say k parts, and this is one part. So we're saying, so basically we can say, and if we say that one part is equal to, let's call it p for the moment, then we can say that that y plus x is equal to k parts, which would be k times p, and y minus x is equal to one part, which is just p. So, hang on, let's think about, might be overcomplicating things. Yeah, so, okay, so if we're saying that y plus x to y minus x is equal to k to 1, then that would mean that the fractions would be equal to each other as well. And so we can say that y plus x over y minus x would be equal to k over 1, which is just k. Okay. All right, so that we're getting somewhere now. So now what we're going to do, we need to work out what is y. Okay, so we need to use this relationship to work out what is y. So I guess what we're going to do is multiply both sides by y minus x. So we've got y plus x is equal to k multiplied by y minus x. And then we're going to expand out this right-hand side. So we've got ky minus kx. And then we're going to collect the parts with y on it, y in them. So I'll just so this bit is still over here, of course. I'm going to subtract ky from one side and also subtract x from the other side. So I end up with, in fact, what I might do it the other way around. I'm going to subtract y from both sides and add kx to both sides. So end up with kx plus x is equal to ky minus y. Okay, cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a factor of, well, I'm actually going to take a factor of x on the left and take a factor of y on the right. So on the left I have x, k plus 1, and on the right I have y, k minus 1. Now it's starting to look a lot more like what we're trying to get to, isn't it? Let's just shrink all this a little bit. Okay, now we want to make y the subject, so we're basically there now. We're just going to divide both sides by k minus 1, and we have x multiplied by k plus 1, all divided by k minus 1 is equal to y. And I believe that is actually the answer. That's what we're trying to get to. There we go. Okay, I just got it the other way around, of course. All right.